Got status in the bed and meet the Grim Reapers. Green line on Lambo with your bitch creepers. He got the poppin' body, so I let the tech eat him. I put the knob up on my back, I get the M's and feed him.
Ain't fucking with no off-brand bitch. Ooh, don't think these niggas understand me. Ooh, she let me touch it in Miami. Ooh, I'm feeling like I'm Bigger Valley. Ain't fucking with no off-brand bitch. Ooh, don't think these niggas understand me. Ooh, she let me touch it in Miami. Ooh, I'm feeling like I'm Bigger Valley.
Bitch, I'm number one like I'm Nelly. And my crib all white like Belly. And my bitch ride for me like Remy. Poppin' shots, thug life like a valley. Send that cash to my celly, and my nigga go get it. Then we split it like a spinner. If I'm in it, it ain't rented. Got the rim so biggie and my thighs look skinny. Good pussy and you pretty, but you better off the Henny. Yeah, I ain't Ray J, told the bitch, wait a minute. Yeah, diamonds on my dick, told the bitch, come and get it. Shawty, you a star, got all these niggas wishing. She gotta make a count, hit me up when you finish.
Ain't fucking with no off-brand bitch. Ooh, don't think these niggas understand me. Ooh, she let me touch it in Miami. Ooh, I'm feeling like I'm Bigger Valley. Ain't fucking with no off-brand bitch. Ooh, don't think these niggas understand me. Ooh, she let me touch it in Miami. Ooh, I'm feeling like I'm Bigger Valley. Yeah.
Shoulders, knees, focus, head, shoulders, knees, focus, yeah, head, yeah, shoulders, yeah, knees, yeah, going, yeah, shoulders, yeah, knees, yeah, focus, yeah, head, shoulders, knees, focus, head, shoulders, knees, focus, yeah, head, and shoulders, and knees, yeah, going, yeah, head, and shoulders, yeah, knees, yeah, focus, yeah.
Ain't fucking with no off-brand bitch.
Gavin. Gavin.
If you write anything on your computer, you need to get Grammarly.
I write pretty much all day, every day, and Grammarly makes my writing better.
As a student, I like that it's free.
It actually is correcting everything as I'm writing it.
Grammar errors, spelling errors, and even helps me find the right words to use so I can say what I want to say.
It catches all those
Alright everyone, my name's Adam Vox and welcome back to an OBS multi-platform or OBS Studio tutorial. As always, links to all of these videos will be in the playlist link in the videos regarding OBS. My name's Vox and welcome to the journey. In this video, we're going to be checking out audio devices. This is going to be what you record with your audio. So again, we're going to return to this mixer down here in our interface, and I'm going to bring our window up a little bit so it's easier to look at. And this is our mixer. You're going to want to get acquainted with this window, which I covered in the first video in this series, so check out that link, but we'll cover it more in a minute. And your Windows audio settings as well. So to get that, find your speaker icon in your system tray down here on Windows, right-click it, and go to Recording Devices or Playback Devices. It'll open the same menu that we need. Now this is going to show a list of the microphones and interfaces and things like that, as well as speakers that you have connected to your computer. Most of you probably aren't going to have this many devices. Most of you are probably going to have one or two. It's going to be a microphone, and it's going to be like a webcam or a built-in microphone. Choose which one you're going to use. Here I have my webcam microphone. Here I have my audio interface with my professional microphone. Here I have another input. Here I have the microphone input on
YouTube TV. Watch like a fan.
Alright, what is going on, guys? It is Nader here, back again with another video, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to add desktop sound or music in OBS if you're on a Mac. And I'll be teaching you guys this tutorial on this already made scene. If you're a subscriber to me, you recognize this because I just streamed yesterday and I got kind of a weird comments about it. But the number one reason I did this is because there was really no good tutorials out there at all. I wanted to learn how to use OBS because I do want to start streaming a lot more. And I also have another reason that I'm not going to expose yet, but I think it's an exciting addition to my channel, so I'm not going to tell you guys what it is. But yeah, that's the primary reason I had this stream up, so the guy who left this comment, you can suck my It's probably one of the biggest problems with Macs is that you cannot just record music or your desktop sound. You actually have to have an additional software to be able to do that, so I'm going to go ahead and show you really quick what you need. So obviously the first thing you need is going to be OBS. It's absolutely essential. Obviously you guys probably have it if you're on this tutorial, but just in case you don't, the download link will be down in the description below. It's very simple. Just make sure on the Mac version you hit download, you go through the process. It'll be very easy, take you no time at all.
Hey guys, it's Vatgurn here. Now, one thing I noticed a lot of people have been going through problems with in terms of streaming is how to set up everything. Like how to get your headphones to play through your, connect to your PC and then have your game audio come through your headset, but also have your sounds for like your alerts and everything else come along. Well, that's why I'm here. Okay, so what you see right here is my display. You see there's me talking in the background. You see I got my mic set up, and as you can see, you can't really hear anything other than me talking. But I have it set up like this. So what I do is that I go to Settings. I go to Advanced Audio Properties, and all of this is good. Now, I stream on a PS4 and sometimes my PC, and this is what I use to look at it. So a lot of things I see about people asking is, how do I do this? Well, the way you do it is this. So when you have everything set up, so I have my webcam, monitor is off. When I have my video capture device, that's my Elgato capture. So any game that I want to stream on my PS4 or my PC, that's going to go. So what's going to happen is that you're going to have this go on monitor and output. And you're going to have that monitor and output because all your audio is going to come from your headphones, but you're going to have your headphones plugged into your PC. Now, same thing. When you want to hear like desktop audio, you're going to see this desktop audio. When you want to hear like desktop audio, you're going to have them all on the same channel. You're going to see just look what happened. You're going to see this desktop audio. When you want to hear like desktop audio, you're going to have them all on the same channel. You're going to see just look what happened. You're going to see this desktop audio. When you want to hear like desktop audio, you're going to have them all on the same channel. You're going to see just look what happened. You're going to see this desktop audio. When you want to hear like desktop audio, you're going to have them all on the same channel. You're going to see just look what happened. You're going to see this desktop audio. When you want to hear like desktop audio, you're going to have them all on the same channel. You're going to see just look what happened. You're going to see this desktop audio. When you want to hear like desktop audio, you're going to have them all on the same channel. You're going to see just look what happened. You're going to see this desktop audio. When you want to hear like desktop audio, you're going to have them all on the same channel. You're going to see just look what happened.
Put up. Young Metro, don't trust you, I'm gonna shoot you. I get to the red consistently, who gon' stop me now? They keep talking, I'm talking about drugs, about to block one now. I just cashed out on 2 dope, man, they talking now. Who gon' stop me now? They keep talking, I'm talking about drugs, about to block one now. I just cashed out on 2 dope, man, they talking now. Who gon' stop me now? They keep talking, I'm talking about drugs, about to block one now. I just cashed out on 2 dope, man, they talking now. Who gon' stop me now? They keep talking, I'm talking about drugs.
Hey, it's Mike Lucy here, and real quick, we're going to do a 5-minute tutorial how to get rid of audio lag in OBS. A lot of people might be using a Yeti microphone or some other kind of digital USB microphone in their computer and occasionally come across audio lag. So for those of you that are using third-party publishing software such as OBS, vMix, Wirecast, Telestream, or otherwise, here's a helpful hint how to get rid of that audio lag. So I'm going to share my screen with you and walk through the 5 or 6 steps that's required to get rid of the audio lag. So I have a separate version.
What is up, guys? Dark Videnge here. Now, I don't usually do tutorial videos, but I found that this one was absolutely necessary as I can't find a solution to it online anywhere. And so I had to play around with OBS all freaking day just to figure out how to fix this issue. Now, the problem is that on my desktop audio, it was completely unsynced with everything else. All right, my mic was synced. I had a mic 2 that was set up that was synced. My video was synced, everything. Just my desktop audio was off sync. It was unsynced, and I couldn't figure out why. This is what I did to fix it. I went into this little gearbox right here. I went to properties. This was checked. This use device timestamps. This little box was checked. I unchecked that, and in addition, in hopes unsynced with everything else. All right, my mic was synced. I had a mic 2 that was set up that was synced. My video was synced, everything. Just my desktop audio was off sync. It was unsynced, and I couldn't figure out why. This is what I did to fix it. I went into this little gearbox right here. I went to properties. This was checked. This use device timestamps. This little box was checked. I unchecked that, and in addition, in hopes to do some type of reset, I had changed up my device a couple times just in hopes to have it reset. After that was done, I just hit OK, and to figure out if it actually was synced again, I went over here into iTunes and I recorded myself playing music. This is what I'm doing right now. When I hit that play button and whenever I go somewhere else on the timeline here, you'll see the music will change instantly. That's how you know it's going to be synced up. So let's check it out. Now watch. Boom. That should be synced. If it's not synced, by the time I go back and check this recording, I'm going to be hella angry, but I tried it a few times now and it's working perfectly. All right. So this has nothing to do with reinstalling OBS. This has nothing to do with your actual device encoding settings, your hardware, nothing like that, because
I put a pool on the top of the penthouse, you can see me now. I'm still high for the day before, back to re-up now. Nigga was broke some years ago. I put a pool on the top of the penthouse, you can see me now. I'm still high for the day before, back to re-up now. Nigga was broke some years ago. I put a pool on the top of the penthouse, you can see me now. I'm still high for the day before, back to re-up now. Nigga was broke some years ago. I put a pool on the top of the penthouse, you can see me now. I'm still high for the day before, back to re-up now. Nigga was broke some years ago. I put a pool on the top of the penthouse, you can see me now. I'm still high for the day before, back to re-up now. Nigga was broke some years ago. I put a pool on the top of the penthouse, you can see me now. I'm still high for the day before, back to re-up now. Nigga was broke some years ago. I put a pool on the top of the penthouse, you can see me now. I'm still nigga was broke some years ago. I put a pool on the top of the penthouse, you can see me now. I'm still nigga was broke some years ago. I put a pool on the top of the penthouse, you can see me now. I'm still nigga was broke some years ago. I put a pool
Hello to you all. You know, there's a lot of talk these days about the possibility of robots starting to do all the work that people do. This possibility makes many people happy, but others are afraid of being left without a source of income. Besides, the rise of the machines isn't far away.
Alright, I'm low on board, so everybody scooch together.
But don't worry, because there are people in the world who will never be replaced by robots. Why? Well, for you to understand, we'll introduce you to the protagonists of our video. Let's get it on.
This on a PJ ain't shoot me. I was always in some shit, nigga look at me now. These bitches that have you looking bad, tryna air me out. Then I gave that bitch some cash over a fair amount. Ain't gon' never trust a bitch who can't close their mouth. But get to the red consistently, who gon' stop me now? They keep talking, I'm talking about drugs, about to pop one now.
I just tried that Amazon hack that is all over the internet. I don't know if you guys have heard of it. It's called WikiBuy. So while I shop on Amazon, it compares prices at other stores to see
What game is this, dude?
Chill. Kind of nice. I'm getting to the point where it's actually getting to the point where even the people who are being like rude and like hating on me are starting to realize that are starting to almost hate the people who are hating on me just to hate on me, which is actually kind of nice. Like, I like when a meme dies and then some idiot is just like, we're the donator stream Simon. And then like they get like that tweet gets like 8 replies and it's like, bro, dead meme. Bro, dead meme. Like, chill, dead meme, dude. Not like, it's like, yeah, nice, dude. Nice.
What game is this, dude?
Felix, I need a meme idea for today. Can you suggest anything? Wow. Do you make one every day? No, you don't. I don't know. Just rip off what everyone else is doing, right? That's how memes work. Go to Instagram.
Dolan Dark meme and blur out Dolan Dark. Done.
Crop out Dolan Dark.